Hi gorgeous! So I finally received my new Boxycharm by Ipsy and I can't wait to unbox it with you. So this box retails for $30. We have 5 full-size products and I have picked 3 of them. I don't remember which products I chose, but you can find it easily on the website of Ipsy. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'm posting videos every week, and as I have said in my previous Boxycharm unboxing, I had some issues with the website. Now we can leave reviews for each product, and also it is easier to find the products for each month. For me, again, it is not the easiest website to navigate through because they have so many blog posts and it is distracting with all of these pictures. Maybe I'm too old for that website. Also, on the day that I needed to pick the 3 products, I couldn't log in for 1 day. So basically, I wasn't able to choose exactly the products that I wanted. I had my eyes on a Violet Voss face palette. I couldn't choose it because of the website issues. As I can see, we have again shredded paper, a card, and the products. So I'm curious if we have the prices and the names of the products. Nope. We have some myths and facts about SPF. It is definitely useful to get information how to protect your skin, but I would prefer the prices of the products. The box says again, discover yourself. I'm trying, okay? I'm trying, Boxycharm and Ipsy. So the first product here is some brushes, and as I can see on their website, I have picked these. So these are the Trio Cotton Candy Set by the brand Schmiss Glam. Stay sparkly. Okay, and of course I chose them because they were sparkly. Let's see the brushes. Ooh, they're so pretty. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know if it is practical to hold a brush with gems. Oh well, it's fine. It's fine. Oh, it's so cute. I really like it. Okay, let's see what brushes we have. Come out. Come out, brush. The first brush is a precise face brush, CC02. So you can use this to contour the face, even the nose. Okay, and also you can apply your blush. Not bad. The second brush is the flat face brush, CC01, and this one is a little bit bigger. You can also use this for blush and contouring. And the third brush, not blush, is a smaller one, and this is the eye blending brush CC03. This looks very convenient for my crease. The bristles are super soft, very soft. I'm not sure if they are synthetic bristles because I don't have any information, so let's go and find them on their website. So brushes, where are you? Schmiss Glam. I'm doing something wrong. I'm sure that's not the name. SL Miss Glam Brushes. Stephanie is the owner of the brand. She's a YouTube vlogger and beauty and accessory designer. Okay, we know now why we have the gems. So I'm guessing SL is for her name. Let's see now how much are these brushes. These are $38 for 3 brushes. I am on the Ipsy website and they say these are for highlight, blush and powder. The smaller says it is for the eyes. Of course you can use it to highlight because it is a smaller one. These are vegan and cruelty free brushes, so we have synthetic bristles. They are super adorable. I can't wait to try them out. And next, ooh, I see a palette. This was not picked by me. Ipsy chose this from my makeup profile, beauty. And it is an eyeshadow palette by Iconic London. It is the Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. Ooh. I have seen pictures online. Wow, that's super cute. The shimmery shades look so shiny. I don't want to swatch it yet to do some product close-ups first. Okay, I'm going to swatch this one. Whoop! Very, very pigmented and shiny. It has some blue micro glitter, and this can look super nice for a summery eye look, and this warmer in the crease, define the eyes with this one. Very nice color story. I want to try this palette in my next video. Tea break. I'm a little bit sick and I'm drinking tea in May. End of May actually. I found the palette on the Ipsy website and it retails for $40 and the whole box is $30. Fantastic. This palette is inspired by a tropical bouquet with velvety matte and buttery shimmery shades. We can see that. Oops. This hand. The packaging is very aesthetically pleasing. It is simple but glamorous. It is very well made. I really like the size of the mirror. I'm very happy that they chose this product for me. Moving on to a product that I picked for me and I totally forgot about. This is the Love and Craft and Beauty Dark Dimension Dual Tip Liquid Liner. I love the color of the packaging. I like that it is so vibrant, happy, summery, and let's see how the product is. Ooh, it's the same color. I love it. I'm guessing it is in black. Maybe I missed it. It doesn't say on the packaging. Let's find out. So we have here a felt tip applicator. It is black and super soft. I'm wondering if it is shiny or matte. I usually prefer thinner applicators for my eyeliner because I don't have very big eyes. And on the other side, ooh, we have a thinner. This is also a sponge tip applicator. Yeah, both of them are super saturated. You need that for a sponge tip applicator. It dries quite fast, but as I can see, we have some sheen. Why? Okay, maybe on the eyes it's not so noticeable. Let's find more information about the product. This is a full-size eyeliner like all of the products. It retails for $19 and they claim that this is smudge-proof. 5 stars for the packaging. Let's go now to a skincare product that Ipsy chose for me, and this one is the Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner for all skin types. It has 20% vitamin C. It can brighten, retexturize, and firm your skin. Okay, let's see how it looks. The aesthetic of the packaging reminds me a lot another skincare brand. It is called Ren. I have been using actually lately. Ooh, it also has a pump. I'm using now a Ren Vitamin C Eye Cream with a pump. It really brightens up the eye, so I'm happy with that. I'm curious to see the consistency. Oh boy. 10,000 years later. Oh, okay, we have some. That's enough for a swatch. It has a nice lightweight formula. It is smoothing. That's interesting. And it gives a soft matte finish. It reminds me of a primer. What's happening? Is this also a makeup primer? No, it doesn't say so. So how much is it? This little guy here is $85. We have 30 milliliters. It is a full size and it says that it contains the purest form of vitamin C. Maybe that's why it is $85. It is always very dangerous to try so expensive skincare products because if I like it, then I really don't want to buy it again. Let's go now to a product that I chose, and this is the Rose Ink Blush Divine Radiant Lip and Cheek Color. I have the shade Heliotrope, and I think this brand is a newer in Sephora. I have heard it before. I have never tried any of their products. The packaging is so unique, and let's see how it looks. Oh, interesting. We have a stamp, an uneven stamp, and it looks like a refillable packaging. Most likely it is. Let's find out. Okay, I found the spatula. I'm sure there is a much easier way. Oh, there are some dots here. I'm not gonna try and remove it. It doesn't have a scent. I really want to swatch it though. I took some with my spatula and It is magnetic, FYI. So let's watch this here. Oh, it has a very similar formula with the Maybelline cream blush that I was trying today, but this one has a balmy consistency. It is a little bit sticky. No, it's not so sticky. Maybe the setting. I didn't apply a lot, but it's not so visible on me. From the swatches, it's not so promising. And the packaging is so well made and sturdy. It really feels like an expensive product, and let's see how much it retails. Hey, ooh, that's very expensive. It is $32 for 4.5 grams of product. You can use this on the cheek and the lips. It's a very nice shade actually. I don't like that it's not very opaque. It contains vitamin E and squalane to moisturize the skin and the lips. The overall value is $214. That's a lot. A lot of expensive products here. I like the products that they chose for me. I also like what I picked up for me. I was thinking a lot about whether I should stop my subscription because I already have a drawer back here which is full with full-size products by Boxycharm, and for now I have a lot of products to use in my videos, so I have decided for now to stop my subscription, but I'm not disappointed with the products that I was getting or the overall value. It is just now I feel that I have a lot of products to use. This is not the end for me and Boxycharm by Ipsy, of course. Let me know in the comments if you like the products that I got, what products you got. Do you like this subscription service? Do you like another subscription service with beauty products or maybe something different? DIY maybe? Food or decoration? I wish you an amazing day, and you can also watch this video here